Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call Siri using your Earbuds INFINIX Buds Neo. So, to call a Siri, by default you need to press 3 times at the touch area on your right earbud. The touch area located at the back side, right here we have this golden color, and you need to press and hold on it. Press 3 times on it. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, and as you can see, Siri is awake. But we can customize it. But you need Android phone to do this, because on Apple devices, application not available. Only on Android devices. Now I will show it to you how to customize it. Firstly, you need to connect your earbuds with your Android device. So your earbud should be outside of the charging case, and let's disconnect it, open settings and go to the Bluetooth. Right here, click the information icon and disconnect. Now open settings on your Android, then connected devices or Bluetooth. I already connected here, so I need to just tap on it. And we have connection. After that, you need to use the application. Open the Live application. Of course, you need to install and set up this application and add your earbuds to the application. At this channel we have video about it. And once you open it, you will see this menu. Right here you tap at your earbuds, and then you need to scroll down and go to gesture control. Now, right here, I already added right here, but you will see this menu. And you can decide you want to use double press to call voice assistant or press and hold. So let's add it to the double press, but you can also add it for the press and hold. Right here, as you can see, we have voice assistant. I click on it and select voice assistant. After that, I need to disconnect these earbuds from Android device and connect it to my iPhone. So go to the settings, connected devices, click the settings icon or information icon here and disconnect. Now click at your earbuds at the device list on your iPhone. Sometimes it happened with these earbuds that you don't want to reconnect. So let me unpair it and click here. And now let's check it. So I press 2 times. I can press on my right or left earbud. 1, 2. Yeah, and as you can see, it works. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!